ka rito sa Sulu, pero bilang Pangulo ng Pilipinas, first time niyo, sir. Ano, sir, mga pagbabago, mga nakita niyo sa probinsya?
Ay, tuloy-tuloy ang magandang makita. Tapos tuloy-tuloy ang progreso dito. And really, ang naging pundasyon niyan ay yung peace and order. And that's the biggest achievement, the most important achievement na ginawa ng local government headed by Governor Sapuntan. Kaya naman, ay mga investors pumapasok, iba ng tingin sa Sulu, iba ng tingin sa probinsya, at dahil mapayapa na ang Sulu ngayon. So that's the biggest change, and it is all based on the peace process, and that is why we hold it so important. So patuloy pa rin, at maganda talaga naman dito. It has always been a favorite spot of mine. Malayo lang kaya hindi ko na pupuntahan as much as I would like to. Di ba rin nakikita naman kami na sa book.
Governor po, Mr. President, can you provide an update on infrastructure projects in Cebu, such as roads, BGS, and ports that are aimed at improving connectivity and accessibility?
Yes, we just actually, let me start with the last one, the connectivity and accessibility. We just released, or we just earmarked a big fund for the connectivity for all of Mindanao. But that will include the most important part of that system that we are putting together is yung tinatawag na last mile. So yun ang pinakamahirap. Pero ang gagawin natin, kapag island, kagaya island province, kagaya ng Sulu, we will provide satellite connectivity kung ano yung kailangan. So we're working very hard on that dahil kung nais natin magdala ng investment, hindi maaring papasok ang kahit na anong seryoso na negosyo ngayon na walang internet. So hinahanap talaga nila yan. So that's what we are doing.